Hi everyone, and welcome to our training video on social media. So we're going to start right from the beginning of our dashboard here, and we are going to go to our pages and click on add. And we're going to make this really easy. We're going to go to our sample page here, and we have several different templates we can choose from, and I'm going to take my brand tweets, and I'm just going to click on that and use selected page. And that's going to bring it right into my dashboard here. So now I'm ready to edit it. So I'm going to click on that page and click edit. So you'll see here we have several different things going on. This is for live tweets, but I'm going to put in a lot of other different social media in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by deleting some of this out of here, actually. I'm going to take out some of these tweets. Up here on the upper right hand corner is our clock, and I'm going to put in our zip code. This is where I'm located in Milwaukee, and this is the current time. Leave it right in the cloud. I think it looks kind of cool there, and maybe I'll just expand it out a little bit. And I'm going to bring you into the apps here on the left hand side, and we're going to start with our Twitter. So we're going to click on the Twitter app here, and it brings up this little call out here. And on the left hand side, it's going to ask for your Twitter account. So if this is the first time you're using this app, you're going to want to click into that plus account. And it's going to bring you into a username and email. So you can either be logged in already to your Twitter account, or you can log in right here and just put in your username or email and then your password. And this allows the software to be able to use this app, okay? And from there, it'll just open up your account. I've already added this, and we have an account, of course, for the ChiroChannel. And then on the left-hand side, it's also going to show how the kind of tweets, and we're going to pick from those I follow and show what tweets. So we're going to show, we can go the latest 3. And for the maximum age of tweets, they can be up to 90 days old. We're going to take the style of call out. So then all you need to do is click on this little circle here, and that should bring up our tweets from our ChiroChannel Twitter account. And I'm just going to size that down a little bit because we're going to add a few more in here. So that's our Twitter account. The next app we're going to do is our Facebook account, and we're going to click on the app, and I'm going to drag it down here right below our Twitter account. And it's the same thing. You're going to click on your plus, and it's going to bring you into an approval for our software to use your Facebook account. And I've already done that. So I've already preloaded up my Facebook account, and I have a ChiroChannel Facebook account. And then I'm going to pick again all of our latest messages that are on here up to 90 days, and we can use it in a call out fashion. You can pick it in a Polaroid. You can pick it in a social wall if you want, but we're just going to use the call out. And I'm going to resize that also so that it matches our Twitter. And you'll see the ChiroChannel right under here. The next one we're going to use is going to be our LinkedIn. So I'm going to click on LinkedIn. And once again, we're going to look over to the left, and you can either be logged into your LinkedIn page, or you'll have to open up add the plus button to get the authorization to use your LinkedIn page. I've already done that, so I'm going to click on Patty at the ChiroChannel Network, and I'm going to show messages for the ChiroChannel. And again, I'm going to pick the latest 3. It's already loading up here on the right-hand side. You can see I've done a couple of blog posts in here. And we're going to keep it as a call out as well. And I'm just going to resize that. I'm actually going to move these over just a little bit because I want to add some text on here too. The next one we're going to load up here is the Instagram account. And we're going to, again, if you're just opening up your Instagram account in here for the first time, you're going to click on the plus button. I've already done that, so I'm going to pick my ChiroChannel 86, and I'm going to pick from my timeline, and I'm going to also pick the latest 3. And it can be a single picture, it can be a social wall, so you can choose either one, but we're just going to do a single picture. And it can be the maximum age of the page. We can go up to 30 days maybe. So we'll take the latest 3, and then we're going to, I just loaded up a picture a little bit ago, so I'm just kind of new to the Instagram account on our ChiroChannel, but that should load up shortly for us. And then up at the top, I am going to put something, it says live tweets. We're going to actually put up here tweet, like, and let's see, tweet, like, connect, type, and follow at my brand. So your brand, for me, I would be writing up here the ChiroChannel. But for you, you'll be typing up your clinic name up here. And then I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to not add some shadow, but I want to center that. And then bring it up here and maybe expand the text just a little bit so it fits. And then what I would like to do is bring that down a little bit more. I'm going to add a little bit more text with my basic elements and decrease the size. And I'm going to put up here, we're going to put up tweet. And I'm actually going to copy that 1, 2, 3 times. And I can use that same, sorry for all of that information coming up there. And drag that down here. Now I'm going to type like. And we're going to get connect. This is for your LinkedIn. And this is going to be follow. Okay, so now we have tweet, like, connect, and follow. And now we've got a really nice little social media slide for your patients to follow. You can, which is really kind of cool, you can add a QR code. So if anybody wanted to copy that link, we just click on the QR code, and I'm going to decrease the size of that. And then on the left-hand side, it'll have just the web address. So what I can do is I can go into my Twitter account. Just make sure it comes up, and I'm going to copy that URL, and I'm going to go back into my page and type that, paste it, click enter, and now it's changed. So anybody with their smartphone can actually scan that code, and they are able to get their Twitter. I'll bring that up here. Actually, maybe I'll pull this down here. Can get your Twitter account if that's the one you really want to connect with first. And that's really just a nice, easy way to get your social media up on your board. So that takes care of our 8th training video, and stay tuned for our next one.